Hello and welcome everyone on a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to check Netflix household. So to do this, you have just to go to the Netflix app and open it. After that, go and click on My Netflix. And after that, go and click on the three lines on the top right of the screen. After that, go and click on Account. After that, you have to scroll down a little bit and until you find an option called Access and Devices. And to know your Netflix household, you should see the devices appearing here. So there is no direct option for that, but with this option you can know who are the people connected with you to your account from the devices. So if you see some devices that you don't know, like here, you must log them out, because sometimes Netflix will limit your access to the platform if you are not connected from the same place with other people who are connected to your account. And if you find another device that is connected to your account and is not near to you, you can just click on it like that and click sign out to be sure that no people or no one have access to your Netflix account until you approve this access. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to like this video and see you in